That's Betsy. It's Shelby. Okay. Okay. Ooh, pretty path. Okay, we're doing rules, what to do and what not to do when crossing a road. Make sure you look both ways. It looks clear to me. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, look! It's like Freddy Krueger's house. Run now! Run now! No! Okay, we're gonna run!
Let's go in the backyard.
Okay, it's kind of cold outside, but we're gonna go in the backyard. We're gonna go on a little nature walk. Cool. Delish. I'm gonna go show him what Akira did. Okay, so Betsy's dog Akira shit. Oh,
Crap!
she pooped.
It's not like anybody's gonna. Oh my God.
Right there.
It stank. Oh.
She pooped on the.
The bike?
No, we're going in your back.
Okay.
We don't need the bike. I told you to wear pants. Betsy's a bad example. She should be wearing pants. It's cold outside.
Oh, okay. There's rats back here.
Rats.
I think we have to go this way.
We're going the wrong way. Yeah, because it passed over here.
This is my backyard.
This is our backyard. Oh, by the way, we're at Betsy's house.
Ew, poop.
And later, we'll go to Dairy Queen for no reason and just chill at their booth. And we'll video record us being nonsenses.
Okay. What if we get lost?
We won't. There's no possible way to get lost in here. We tried. Remember?
Oh my God.
It's cold. Okay.
Oh.
Betsy's frolicking. This is gonna be better in the summer.
This will look much better in the summer. Frolic. It's really freaking cold. Where? What the frick are you doing? That's not frolicking. I picked up a dead nose. My friend picked up a dead bunny in here. So, oh, my legs are getting cold.
Like the
You can see me breathing.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
I can.
Well, I don't know what you're looking at because I can't.
Holy crap. Ew! Is that a grasshopper?
Betsy, those are cattails.
Oh. I knew that.
Sure you did.
Oh.
Let's open up the cattail.
There's a random colored leaf right there. Oh, and this like big, huge. So yeah.
Already, like, open.
Is this taller than me? Oh, is this taller?
This is what's inside of a cattail. Ew.
Is this taller than me? What is this?
Put it up all the way.
What is this?
Yes, it's taller than you.
What is this?
Okay, well this is part 1 of our adventure.